heaven in 1 hour if Hendrik is not standing here by my side. There's no way in hell I'm going back there.
You got other people to worry about besides Helena. There you go. There you go. I know Oliver doesn't want her to do it, but I want Sarah to kill Helena.
Simple trade. My father for Laurel.
Oh, he's making out with somebody else. I knew he was going to do that. He had to do that. She wouldn't let him go, and he doesn't want to hurt her physically. Or emotionally, but he had to hurt her emotionally so that she would let him go.
I'm leaving. Don't stop me.
You're good at talking, but you will not kill me.
Let's find out. Don't kill him. You can never come back from that.
It's too late. I'm already gone. Bye, Dad.
Damn vigilante! You are...
Good job.
You don't know who I am, Laurel. Not really. Then show me.
Is her dad already dead? Did he get shot by the cops? Because that'd be funny. Did he get shot by the cops, or?
It was supposed to be me. It was supposed to be me who did it.
Now she's upset because she didn't do it. That's all she cared about, is she's not the one that did it. The girl needs to be locked up in a loony
How
bin.
did you get in?
To identify his crimes to the world.
Giving him a tattoo?
Remind him of what he'd done.
Oh, that's how I got the tattoo. Okay.
Shadow wore this tattoo on her back. Now you shall wear it for the rest of your life. Hello, Sarah. I hope you made the right choice.
Yes. I'm sorry, but nothing has changed. Yes, it has. Excuse me? You are going to rehire me, Kate. Unless you feel like explaining to the press that your own assistant district attorney was the brilliant mastermind behind tonight's hostage crisis. Welcome back. I would have thought blackmail was a little dark for you. Someone recently told me, once you let the darkness inside, it never comes out.
Hope that doesn't mean something bad.
He was doing it to push me away, which clearly worked. I don't know why. Why is it so hard for everyone just to tell the truth? You're the only one that doesn't lie to me, Ollie. You're the only one I know who doesn't keep secrets from me. I gotta go.
Dangerous city.
Oh shit. Yeah, don't get in the car.
The streets alone.
Don't get in the car. Don't get in the car.
Please.
No.
Mislaid.
Well, that's not good. That is not good at all. Sorry, it's trying to start the next episode and I don't want it to do that. Okay. So that was the end of episode 17, I think. So it was a good episode. So we saw the Huntress. I preferred they killed her off, to be honest. She was just an annoying, vengeful person. Just like one goal in mind, kill her dad. And then she got upset she wasn't the one that did it. And then she was sad because he was dead and she didn't feel better about it. You knew that was going to happen. Oliver told her multiple times and she just didn't want to hear it. So I did not feel bad for her. She did this to herself. But hopefully now she'll be done. Like, she will stop, like, breaking out prisons and, because I think she's been arrested before, right? I think so. Anyway, so I don't know. But, there was some conflict between Oliver and Sarah in this one. Sarah wanted to do whatever she needed to do to protect her sister. And Oliver didn't want her to kill Helena. But, you know, like I said, kill her. I don't care. But anyway, so it came down to Laurel actually stopping Sarah from killing Helena, even though she didn't know it was Sarah. So I guess there's that. I don't know what Laurel meant by, you know, once you let the darkness in, it never leaves. I know Helena said that to her, but what does it mean for Laurel's character? She becomes some kind of evil person now because we just got through her addiction. I mean, I know she's still going through, you know, sobriety and everything, but we already dealt with one bad thing with her. Do we have to really go through another? I don't know. But yeah, I'm scared for Thea because she got in the car with Slade. And we know Slade doesn't have any good intentions towards Oliver and his family. I don't know what he's going to do. Maybe he ain't going to do anything right now. I don't know. Roy, I felt bad for him because he had to hurt Thea, but Thea saw through it. Yeah, she still dumped him or whatever, or allowed the breakup to happen because of it, but she knew why he was doing it. And she just doesn't know why he was doing it, if that makes sense. I'm sure you guys know what I mean. So I felt bad for him that he had to hurt Thea, because that hurts him too, you know. And I just really hope he can get his rage under control. And maybe him and Thea can fix things later. I feel bad for Thea, not just for the Roy thing, but she thinks that Oliver's the only one that doesn't lie to her. And he lies a lot. And if she ever finds that out, which I'm sure she probably is going to at some point during the show, how she's gonna take it, because she already feels like nobody tells her the truth. They all lie and keep secrets, and it hurts her, and it's really gonna hurt when she finds out Oliver's been doing the exact same thing. So I don't know what's going to happen, but the end of the season is near. Let me check here. Let's see, episodes. So there's 23 episodes. This was 17, so really close to the end of season 2. And then we will also be starting The Flash at the end of season 2 of Arrow here. So I'm excited to start that because I really enjoyed Barry in his cameo that he had on Arrow a while back. So I'm looking forward to The Flash. And yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you have any suggestions on anything you'd like me to react to, please leave those down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.